In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox Dash to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Dropbox Dash linked so you can streamline your work without juggling multiple tabs. We'll keep things simple and stick to the exact flow you need, with a few helpful notes along the way. Start inside ChatGPT on your computer. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that profile area to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all your account and connection options live, and it's the quickest path to manage integrations safely. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Click it to open the App Management page. Here you can browse what's available and manage anything you've already connected. You'll see an option that says Explore Apps or, in some layouts, Add More. Click that to open the app catalog. At the top, there's a search field. Type Dropbox Dash into the search box. Double-check your spelling to make sure it appears in the results. When you see Dropbox Dash, click it to open the app's page, then choose Connect. This begins the linking process between ChatGPT and Dropbox Dash. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to review what the app can access so you understand how data will be used. If a permissions prompt appears, read it carefully and confirm to continue. In some cases, you might be guided through a brief authorization flow, which is normal for secure connections. Just take your time and complete each prompt as it appears. When the process completes, you'll be returned to the Apps section in Settings, where you should see Dropbox Dash listed as connected. That's your confirmation that everything worked. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account before you start, and ensure your app is up to date if you don't see the app's option right away. If Dropbox Dash doesn't show in search, try again in a minute or check for regional availability. You can manage or disconnect the app anytime by returning to Settings, opening Apps, and selecting the connected app. And that's it. Click your profile, go to Settings, open Apps, explore or add more, search Dropbox Dash, connect, and follow any prompts. You're all set to use Dropbox Dash with ChatGPT.